about pigeons?
He said pigeons.
We're gonna go do this. What are we doing? Hold on. It's a virtual roller coaster ride. Alright, hopefully I can bring you guys in with me. Let's see.
Be seated at all times and keep your arms and legs away from the doors.
Oh yeah.
Please hold on to the safety ring.
Is it cool? Yeah. Alright. That's enough. Alright, Michael. What do you think about the roller coaster simulator? What do you think about it?
I don't know. I was sleeping.
Huh?
I don't know. I was sleeping. Let's go this way.
You were sleeping?
Yep.
Yeah, we paid $5 and it really sucked. Now we know for next time. What's this? No idea. It's a Daytona 200 monument. Alright, we're going to like an arcade thing. Mike wants to trade in some toad. Going to the cactus? Oh no. Over there? No. Anyways, yeah, we're going to. Ooh, these are rooms. Right by the beach. See? That's crazy. Anyway, Michael, where are you dragging me to? Yeah, we're going to like, I don't know, something to play, well, to trade in his 1,000 tickets that he got the other day. And then we gotta walk in this heat.
At least you get exercise.
What are you trying to say?
You're fat with a PH.
What?
You're fat with a PH. There's a big difference, you know.
I'm fluffy. What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah?
Big and fluffy, just like a pillow.
Like a pillow. Like a pillow. Hey, look. That's cool. You want to take a picture over there? I want to take a picture there. Hold on. Alright. Look, this is a slingshot. What? That's crazy.
I'm not going in there.
No, I don't think it's running.
Somebody's in there.
I don't think it's running. I'd do it.
I would.
Huh?
You'd be puking.
What?
You'd be puking.
No, I wouldn't.
Yes. It goes in a circle.
No, it pulls you down and then it shoots you up.
And it goes around.
Well, yeah, but alright.
It'll make
Then they got the Ferris wheel. It's as sturdy as the one in Coney Island, I guess. Hold on, let me see if I can zoom in. See? It looks pretty old. I don't know. Alright, and hold on. Doop, there. And there's the pier, which I think... Alright, I'll make you a deal. We'll go trade in those tickets, and then we'll walk the pier.
Go there.
It's right here.
Some stuff.
Play some stuff. You got money?
Yeah, I got $1.
You got $1? Alright, I'll make you a deal. I'll give you another $1 if you could go walk the pier. It's a good deal. Well.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, that would work. Alright, we're gonna walk to that pier.
No, $5.
We're gonna walk to that pier. Alright. Alright, Michael's fixated on poker now. What are you doing? You like this game? I don't know. You pick. Hold the jack. And then draw. Oh, you got full house. You got 30 tokens. Double up. Half. Oh, you suck. How much you get? How much you win? Half. Oh, how many did you get? 60 tickets. Whoa, look at that go. You're freaking crazy.
I got a flush once.
You got a
Twice.
full house. Well, you did. All right, Michael, tell him what happened.
I did this, and I got the bonus.
He's winning the bonus. It was 200 and what? 207?
215.
215. It's still going. Look at that. Good job. What do you have to say for yourself? Nothing? Alright, so since we can't go over the pier because it's closed because of construction, we are going to do the next best thing and go under the pier. What do you think, Michael? No? We're going to do it anyways. Here we go. You look like you're having problems.
Give me.
Alright, here we go. So you have fun playing those arcade games and winning all those tickets? Tell them what you got. You got 3,000 what? 200? So yeah, 3,200 tickets. And he bought himself some Pokemon cards, a black Daytona Beach, Florida souvenir rock, a blue spiky ball thingy, and a parachute man. So, that's pretty cool. You want me to carry it again? Alright, here we go. Walking under the pier. Dun, dun, dun. Never been under a pier before. It looks kind of iffy. But say hi. You don't like being vlogged, huh? Alright, so I guess we can't go to the over there where the waves are splashing underneath the pier because they said the beach was closed because of that. A big storm's coming. Look at that. I know. It's black. It's gonna freaking thunderstorm in like 20 minutes. So we are gonna head out to.
Want to see my cool rock?
Look at that. Cool. Alright, we're gonna head out to catch the bus to go back home before this comes any closer. I wanna go jump. I wanna go to there. I want to go to there. What?
I'm hungry.
Remember the candy shop? You're hungry? We're gonna go home and eat dinner. Come on. You know. You're not hungry for candy. Sorry. Oh boy! It's home time. We have to go home now. Alright, we gotta cross. And the storm is coming closer and closer. It's like right above. Michael, you scared?
Dun, dun, dun.
See? This is where I was at the other day. It's pretty cool inside. It's not bad. I wanted to do this for the challenge. It's that big ass burger. If you eat that big ass burger, you get your whole meal for free. I'll see you guys. If a lightning bolt doesn't strike me dead, I will see you guys in the next Lost in Manhattan. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Michael, get off the street.